What's good, YouTube? So I was getting comments on some of my videos from people that watch from computer or a laptop. Now I film my videos with my iPhone and I do my editing with iMovie. And by me just, you know, reviewing my own videos from my phone, it sounds like the audio loudness was sufficient, but the quality of audio coming through a laptop or speakers from your desktop is not going to be the same. So what I did was I did some research to figure out, you know, how I could still utilize the tools that I've been using and also increase the audio output. And here's what I found. All right, everybody. Now, what we have here is iMovie pulled up on my iPhone. Now, the way that we do this little trick, let's just start a new project, start a new movie. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a random clip. Be nice if my stuff would load, wouldn't it? Pick a random clip, create movie. Let's listen. Your happiness is your responsibility, no one else's. Why do I say that? Because you could. Now you heard that, right? Not bad, but it doesn't sound the same. Now if you look on the bottom here, you tap the sound speaker, whatever it is, then you got a slide bar. So you could slide it down to 0 all the way up to 500%. So for this example, we're gonna slide it all the way up to 500%, and you don't have to worry about it being too loud when you upload to YouTube, because YouTube will automatically limit the amount of decibels. So now let's play the same clip again on 500%. Your happiness is your responsibility, no one else's. Now, I don't know if you could hear the difference, my cheap microphone, but the sound is pretty loud. Well, it's pretty much louder than it was before. And that should help you as far as getting people to be able to hear you when they listen through a laptop or a desktop computer. Sorry for the unstable camera angle. I got this phone on a cheap tripod, but it is what it is. So now at this point, all you have to do is go ahead, hit done, finish editing, retitle your video, whatever the case, and then you just save it to your phone and you'll be good. Now let's double check it, edit. And if you see the slider bar is still at 500%. So that's a permanent change unless you manually go back in there and decrease the volume on it. Everybody let me know if you knew about this little trick. If you didn't know about this trick, let me know if this worked out for you in the comments. Hey, we all just trying to make it. Some of us don't have big budgets or editing skills or even the money to hire editors. But hey, I just want to see us all eat. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Everybody take care, stay blessed, stay elevated. I'll see you in the next one.